During a pandemic, many people are concerned with the virus at hand. Frontline workers against the virus are working tirelessly to help society function and survive. In our bodies, the frontline workers are our immune systems.
The immune system is a system that protects the body from foreign substances that could be harmful. The immune cells are mainly composed of our white blood cells. The most common types of white blood cells are called lymphocytes. There are two types of lymphocytes, B cells and T cells. T cells destroy infected cells, and B cells are the cells that produce antibodies. Antibodies are blood proteins that are specifically made to attack a certain antigen. Antigens are harmful parts of a virus or germ. They are toxins which trigger the immune response in the immune system. Viruses use the antigens on their outer layer to inject their genetic code into the host cell. This gives the cell instructions to copy its genetic code and produce more viruses. The cell continues to copy the virus until it eventually kills itself.
Unfortunately, it takes time for our immune cells to get used to the virus that is attacking us.
Some viruses, such as COVID-19, spread faster than our bodies can handle. Depending on our immune system, we may not be able to survive them.
Through research, testing, and science, vaccines were made to help our immune system against these viruses.
There are four main types of vaccines: inactivated vaccines, subunit vaccines, toxoid vaccines, and live vaccines. Inactivated vaccines are made up of killed or disabled antigens from the virus or germ. Even though the virus itself is not functional, it triggers the antibodies anyways. Subunit vaccines are only a part of the virus, such as the proteins, so that they could also trigger the antibodies. Toxoid vaccines use the harmful parts of the virus, which helps the body create immunity to that specific part, rather than the entire virus itself. Live vaccines are made up of weakened versions of the real virus. Using live vaccines will challenge the immune system enough to make them stronger against the virus, while not being harmed as much as you would from the regular virus.
These types of vaccines help our immune systems by training them to fight against the real virus.
Think of it like ninjas in a training course against the enemy without actually fighting in battle. The ninjas are the immune cells, and the vaccines would be the dummies used to train with, and the real virus would be the actual enemy. Fighting with the dummies would be much safer than practicing with the real deal. But if the real virus were to cross their path, they would already know what to do.
Some people's immune systems are too weak for the viruses, so they are unable to get them.
That's why it's important for people who can get these vaccines to get them, so we can gain herd immunity to protect those who cannot get the vaccine.
Once everyone is immune to the virus, we no longer have to worry about it, and there's still hope for us all.